Hello, how are you? Today I will teach you how to use certain keys in your keyboard, okay? We have in here this one called the space bar, okay? Excellent. The space bar, I use it to leave an empty spaces between one word and another. See, I want to write my name. So now I want to leave a space between my and name. So I will press on the space in here and write name, N-A-M-E, space is space Nihal. Okay, so this is the use of the first key you have in here, the space bar. Read this. Okay, now I have another key in here called an enter key. The enter key allows you to go to a new line. What does this mean? It means if I want to write my, okay, and I want to write my name is in a new line, press on enter. You see, now the cursor, this one called cursor, goes to a new line. Nihal is my name, sorry, my name is Nihal. Okay, so I write each word in a certain line right now. So this is the use of the enter key. Now I have another key. Say if I want to write my name is space Nihal, but oops, I write it wrong. I want to delete this. So I press on the backspace in here. Could you see the backspace in here? Go back with it to delete the letters. Okay, and now I can write it correctly. Nihal. Okay, so I will delete all this. Okay, now I have in here a key called caps lock. Okay, caps lock means for the capitals. It means it transforms all my letters on the keyboard into capital letters. So that's if I press on it, see, I have a lid in here, okay, for the caps lock. Now it's off, and now when I click on it, it's on. Okay. See, now I will write all the letters I will write is in capital letters. Okay, now if I turn it off and write, it will be small letters. Okay, now I want to delete something. My name is Nihal again. Okay, if I want to remove the name Nihal and write any other name, okay, I can go back. I told you that I can just press on the backspace and delete it, okay, but I can move within the sentence with the left arrow key and the right arrow key. See, now the cursor moves, okay, to the left or to the right. I can put the cursor in here and press the delete key. You have the delete key in here called, you can write written DEL, okay. It will delete what is in front of the cursor. See, this is N, now E is in front of the cursor. You can delete it. H is in front of the cursor. Delete it, delete it, delete it. And but the backspace, it deleted what is behind the cursor. So in here we have a space and S and I. Space, S and I. So we have two ways to delete. In front of the cursor, you use the delete button. Backwards, you delete that with the backspace. Okay, so I delete this all. So now you can start with solving, and this one is in your book, page 19. Okay, I will make this like smaller so we can see the steps and work at the same time. So now it's like a little game. We have 12 steps in here. He asks you to follow it step by step and see what is the result at the end. Okay, so the first step is he asks you to type Shift plus I. So I will press on the Shift key. I keep pressing it, don't remove your hand, and I at the same time. Okay, so the Shift key in here allows me to make capital letters. Okay, if I press I without the Shift key, it will be small. but if I pressed shift key and the letter, it will be capital. See? Now if I want to write my name, one capital letter and the other letter is small. Shift N, E without using the shift, shift H, A, shift L. So one capital and one small. Okay? So sorry, let's go back again to the table. So the first step is shift plus I. Shift plus I to make it capital. So this is the first step. Step number 2, type M in grade 1. So M space N space grade space 1. Okay, now we finish step number 2. Step number 3, press 2 times the enter key. So now the enter key, press it 2 times, 1 and 2. So he leave one line is empty and now the cursor is in the third line. Okay. Now step number 4, press caps lock. So we have in here the caps lock. It means the letters capitals. Okay. We finish number 4. Number 5, type 14 of July 2016. 14. You can use the numbers from here or numbers from here, but it has key to unlock it and lock it again. Okay, you have in here that a light that turn on, so you can use it. Turn off, you cannot use it. Okay, so number is on. Now type 14, so 14 space July. Yes, it's written in capital letters, not small, because the caps lock key is turned on. Okay, he asked me to do that in the 4th step. So 14 of July space 2016. Now we finish step number 5. Step number 6, press 4 times the left arrow key. So now this is the left arrow key, this is the arrow keys, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the cursor moves before the 2016. Number 7, press on the enter key. It will take you to a new line. Number 8, press the backspace 1 time. Backspace. It will go back again. Now he asks you to press 3 times the right arrow key. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the cursor now stands here. Number 10, press the delete 1 time. So this is a delete button. I will press it 1 time. So it deletes what's in front of the cursor, and so it deletes number 6. Number 11, type the number 8. So I will type number 8. What is the result obtained? So this is the last result. I am in grade 1 and this is the date it's right. Okay girls, if you have any question, girls and boys, sorry, if you have any question, send me on the discussion room in Classera, okay? Goodbye.